people! Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making a delicious cheesy omelet. First, I'm going to crack my 2 eggs. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. You can add how much ever you like of any of these ingredients. I have a quarter of an onion and I diced it up. About 4 cherry tomatoes and I cut that up. And now all I'm going to do is beat the egg up. Make sure you have some cheese ready for when the omelet is cooking and a bit of oil so the omelet does not stick onto your pan. Time to beat it. When you beat it, make sure you beat it a lot so the omelet is really nice and fluffy. So I've beaten my eggs up until it's really nice and bubbly, so I know that's how it's going to be really fluffy. Okay, so put your pan to a medium so it can heat up, and I'm putting about half a teaspoon of oil on a non-stick pan, and just make sure to spread that oil around. I'm going to add the egg to the pan which has been heated up. And I'm spreading the egg so it fills the whole pan. And now I just need that to cook. Now put the flame to a high so it can cook well. Now it looks nice and perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese only to one side.
I love cheese. I eat it with anything. Crackers, pears, and grapes. Comment down below what your favorite type of cheese is. Mine is Havarti cheese.
And just flip this side over. That looks so good. And then flip the omelet.
To flip the omelet, you will have to
put it in the middle, and then you can flip the omelet. And it doesn't need to cook for that long because it's already been cooking on the one side. In the meantime, get your plate ready for the omelet. Alright, now it's ready, and I'm going to add my omelet onto my plate.
I like to eat my omelet with green onions. You can really eat it with whatever you want. Oh my goodness, this omelet smells so good.
So my omelet looks nice and delicious. So good. The cut up tomatoes and the onion definitely add a kick to a regular omelet, and the cheese in the middle is nice and delicious. If you guys like this video, please comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!